Hi, my name's Sam Smyth from Smyth and Motorcar Service, and here we have an MG that's being converted. It's a 76 and it's being converted to a all chrome bumper. But people have a lot of issues with carburetors, and they get a lot of these cars and they've already been converted over to German carburetors. So as you can see, here's a Weber. And this Weber here is going to require rebuilding, and because it likes to flood, and it creates issues. So you can see there was somebody painted the inside of an oil pan. That's not right. And used a non-factory pump, non-factory coil, or just incorrect parts. You just get a lot of incorrect parts that are not compatible, let's put it that way. But the answer to that Weber carburetor, to removing single carburetors, Strombergs, is to go to what Moss has as a conversion set with these twin SUs. When you do that, you actually have to replace the header too, because if you look right in between, you'll see that the manifold is much thicker and on the exhaust than the intake. So there's a lot of things, there's a lot of variables when doing this. This isn't just well, you can take it and anyone can do it at a shop type deal. You got to be familiar with these cars and know them a little bit. So anyway, with that being said, this car's gotten a lot of upgrades. A lot of things, through the years, and a lot of things here. You can't have these cars anymore at 76. You count all the years. I mean, you got to think about it. Just normal stuff would be wiped out. This up. Our answer to a Weber carburetor problem is a twin SUs, the HS6s. Where they have side bowls, HIFs, the bowls are actually under. Also, our answer to these MGs when upgraded them, as you can see, we're going to aluminum pan. Please excuse our floor here. We've got some marks on it and paint peeling, so we've got to repaint this part. The other thing is we always like to pull it down and clean it and inspect it. A lot of the old, I don't know if it was MGs or Triumphs, it said he actually in the owner's book at 30,000 miles, pull the oil pan down, have it scrubbed clean, check the tolerances between your rods and mains and make sure everything looked okay. Quite surprising remarks. I know everybody would be raising their eyebrows about now that's listening to this video and whatnot, going, really? And, is that guy off his rocker? But no, that's not. That's truly the case. So anyway, with that being said, they make different oil pumps. We're going with a high-performance oil pump, and then we're also going to put a new screen, and then the new gaskets. Over there's the whole oil pump as an assembly, and we're going with the aluminum oil pan because it's just going to be like a motorbike. Anything with the aluminum and the heads and everything, it just gets rid of the heat quicker. So plus, I think that the oil pan holds more. Now, we didn't buy, there's a shelf you can buy on the inside, but I think that's kind of overkill depending on how you park your car.